Hi, welcome to the new Showcase Workshop app. Let's start with a look at our new Corners design. It replaces the tab that used to be at the bottom center of your screen. Now you have extra space to play with for your design, and for iOS users, there's no longer confusion between our Tools area and the built-in Apple Command Center. And your most commonly used functions are just a single click away. On the top left, you'll find the Home button. If you're more than one layer deep, that becomes the same Back button that we all know and love. At the top right is the Share icon. All of our icons have had a modern facelift. You'll discover sharing has now been split across two screens. That's a big advantage if you have lots of files in your sharing list, lots of extra screen space. Soon you'll have an option which will allow you to send your email from an external mail program rather than from within Showcase. A lot of Showcase users send files out of Showcase to themselves. They told us they wanted the paper trail in their inbox to search back on. We understand that. It's a big disadvantage to most organizations because they lose track of what the customer does with the file when they receive it. And so does the sender. So later this year, you'll have two options on this second screen. You'll be able to send the email from Showcase as you do now, or you'll have an Open With option, which will enable you to send the email from Gmail, Outlook, or whatever mail program you use. You'll still be sending links, not the actual files. So Showcase will be able to provide analytics on when the customer or lead opened the files that you sent them. And on that subject, here's an example of the new notification we now send to a Showcase user when a recipient opens an email that's been sent from Showcase. It'll be amazing how well-timed your follow-up calls will be from now on. Okay, let's take a look at some brand new features. The first one is Search. You can find this in the Tools tray at the bottom left of your screen. The icon is a little magnifying glass. When we click on that, we're presented with a view of all of the slides and menu screens available in this particular Showcase. This is the Showcase about Showcase. Let's say I'm talking to a customer or prospect who wants more information on setting up their first Showcase presentation. I'll probably give them the user guides as a starter, so I'll start typing User. Any slides or menu with the word User in the file name will show up now. I'll also see any slides that links to files with User in the file name. You can also tap Favorites next to All to show only your favorited slides that feature the search term. So I can see the menu that links to our user guides and the menu that links to one of our white papers called Encouraging User Adoption. Our second new feature is Favorites. It's been designed to give users the ability to create their own subset of slides or their own quick links for themselves. I can add new favorites from the Tools tray anytime I'm on a slide or menu page. When the heart is blue, it means the slide is one of my favorites. When I want to access my favorites list at a later date, I use the search icon and then tab across to Favorites. Now I have a customized collection of quick links to our sales videos, a single slide that outlines what Showcase Workshop is, an example of a customer design, and a nice quote from a customer about how Showcase has helped them. If I've got less than 10 minutes of a prospect's time, I'll hit this Favorites area so I can get to my main points fast. When your favorites are set up, they'll last as long as you're signed in, so you don't have to re-favorite slides every time. And they work across all of your devices. Meaning the slides I favorite here on my iPad will also be in my favorites on my iPhone and my laptop as well. There you have it. That's the new Showcase Workshop app interface. Happy showcasing!